Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you 6 creative effects you can use to level up your video editing. These are simple, fast, and look professional. Let's get started. Number 1. Trippy Neon Effect. I've already added a clip to the timeline. To start, duplicate the layer by holding down Alt and dragging it up to the next track. With the top layer selected, go to Effect Controls and change the blending mode to Difference. Now, back on the timeline, hold Alt and use the arrow keys on your keyboard to nudge the clip forward by 1 or more frames. Make sure to match the duration of both clips. Select both layers, move them up 1 track, then hold Alt to duplicate the original bottom clip back onto the first track. Next, select the second and third clips and nest them. Go to the Effects panel, search for VR Glow, and apply it to the nested sequence. In Effect Controls, set the blending mode to Linear Dodge Add. Under the VR Glow settings, set the Luma threshold to 0 so the effect is fully open. Finally, play around with the radius and brightness to fine-tune your glow. And that's it, a perfect trippy neon effect. Number 2, Double Dream Effect. Like always, I added a video clip to my timeline and select it. First, zoom down the preview window and go over to Effect Controls. Now click on the motion. It will preview corners of our video. Then scale up our video a fair amount and position it ideal position you want. Now duplicate the video to the layer above. Select that duplicated layer and change its blending mode to Screen. Offset the position of this top layer to your liking. There you go, the Double Dream effect is complete. Number 3, Dreamy Effect. Start by duplicating your layer. Hold Alt and drag it up 1 track. Select that top layer, go to the Effects panel, and search for Gaussian Blur. Apply it, then go to Effect Controls and set the blurriness to 100. Change the blending mode to Screen, and you've instantly created a soft, dreamy look. Limited time offer. Get 50% off on all digital products. Just use the promo code 50OFF at checkout to unlock your discount. Links are in the description. Number 4, Screen Blend Effect. I already added a video clip to my timeline. Then I add second video clip to second video layer. I prefer second video clip should be darker, mixed video clip like this. Select that second clip, go to Effect Controls, and change the blending mode to Screen. To make it pop, go to the Lumetri Color panel, expand the Curve section, and adjust the graph into an S-curve like this to add more contrast. Now you have a catchy screen blend effect. Number 5, Glass Text Effect. I already added a video clip to my timeline. Select the Type tool and type out your text. Use Ctrl+A to select it all. Choose your preferred font and align it to the center. Adjust the duration of the text clip to match your video. Then select your text layer. Now you can see our text layer on Properties panel. We can also put other stuff in this graphic layer. I drag and drop our video to this Properties panel like this. Now select Text layer and choose Mask with Text. Back on the timeline, select the text layer, hold Alt, and use the arrow keys to nudge the clip forward a few frames. If necessary, realign the layer durations. To make the text stand out, search for the Drop Shadow effect and apply it to the text layer. Adjust the shadow values in Effect Controls until it looks just right. And there you have it, a sleek glass text effect. Number 6. Glowing outline effect. I already added video to my timeline. Hold the Alt key, then click and drag the clip up to the next track to duplicate it. Open the Effects panel, search for Find Edges, and apply it to the top layer. In the Effect Controls panel, check the Invert box. This will extract the outline data from your video. Next, search for the Tint effect and add it to that same top layer to remove the color, leaving you with a clean black and white outline. Now, apply the Levels effect. Now in Effect Controls, scroll down and then increase the black input level to clean up the background, and decrease the white input level to make the outlines more defined. To take the edge off, add a Gaussian blur and set the blurriness between 6 and 10. Now let's add some color. Search for the 4 color gradient effect and apply it to the top layer. Under its settings, change the blending mode to Soft Light. This overlays the color onto your outlines. You can choose 4 different colors, or if you want a solid look, pick one color, like red, and copy it to all 4 points. To make it pop, add the VR Glow effect and set the Luma threshold to 0. Then select the VR Glow, press Ctrl-C to copy it, and Ctrl-V to duplicate it. Now for the second VR Glow, set the glow radius to 400 and the brightness to 3. Finally, add one more Gaussian blur set to 5 to soften the overall glow. Then go to Opacity and set the clip's blend mode to Screen. Now let's animate it. I will move the playhead forward and create a scale keyframe and an opacity keyframe. Then after maybe around 1 second, I change scale value to 150 to create a second keyframe. And also I change opacity 0 to add a second opacity keyframe. Now select all 4 keyframes, right-click on any keyframe and select Ease In. Then again choose Ease Out. Now we're going to expand the arrow next to the scale to see the graph of the animation. Once you select any of the keyframes, you'll see the blue handles. We're going to drag the first blue handle all the way to the left, and the second blue handle also all the way to the left. Same for the opacity, expand the arrow, select any of the points, direct this one also to the left, and this one all the way to the left again. Here is our final result of the animated outline. And that wraps up some easy effects to enhance your projects. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe us for more editing tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.